day in the life of Steve.
It's roughing. Turn it off the photo jig.
No.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing, man?
I'm off the clock, Mark.
Come on, dude. What do you mean you're off the clock?
I'm off the clock. I'm supposed to be out by 6.
Who else is here? Just you?
George.
Well, you should have stayed, man.
You didn't ask me to.
Can you stay? Did you already punch out?
Yeah.
Punch back in and I'll tell him to race the punch.
Oh.
Come on, man. We got a lot of work up there. Steve's gonna be here to fucking midnight.
This is how you do a flat repair, right?
No.
No?
That'll work here.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that?
Shit.
What is that? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Jesus Christ.
Ooh.
I don't know what Ronnie just said to me. We're making how-to videos around here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's don't know.
Don't play with our nipples.
What did you want?
She want to make
Oh,
sure
she's
that
coming back for more, dude.
the
She's
brakes
coming
were
back
good
for more.
on.
She's coming back for more.
Too close to my face.
Hey, Steven. Set the air pressure, send it out 40 all the way around.
40?
Yeah.
Oh, yo!
That was the best.
Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style.
He's gone.
The fuck up. Come back inside.
Get out of my way,
You gotta
Steve.
do.
No,
You gotta just plug it.
Holy shit, look at his legs. You need a tan.
You need a tan.
Holy shit.
He needs a tan? Wow.
He's making a documentary.
Yo, I'm making a how-to video.
It's like the worst how-to video ever. Just like dancing. Oh my god. That's good.
You're so gay, Jonathan.
How did you even record that? No, you touched my
Actually, he was touching your ear, man.
Steve, you're so slow.
Me? Because you're recording me, I'm under stress.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Making it. I don't want it.
On your back, man. On your back.
What'd you do? What is that? Come on, Steve. Hurry up.
Nah, nigga.
Hurry up.
I will make you stay here all day until Mark comes
Come on,
back.
man. I'm trying to leave.
You're trying to leave me, you're making a video? Mark comes over and just looks at him like, what are you doing?
It was supposed to be a video of the guys getting fucking arrested.
What?
The guy that got arrested. So they made a video of that. Put it on YouTube.
Oh,
This is
like-
what happened when you come to
World
Sears
Star
get a
Hip-Hop.
flat repair.
You get arrested for marijuana. Possession of marijuana. Yeah, I'm trying to go, man. Let's go.
Are you leaving too?
I'm leaving.
Let's go.
Are you parked downstairs?
Leaving at 7?
Yeah. Are you parked downstairs?
Yeah.
I don't want to walk by myself because I'm afraid the drug dealers are waiting for me because I rang them out. Can you come with me?
Let's go.
That was you?
You're a ninja.
That
so-
was you?
That was Mark. What are you talking about?
Mark, but I rang him out. I
Oh.
cashed him out and gave him the keys and willingly led him into a trap.
They know your face. They know.
I'm gonna
That's
shave.
how you plug a
I'm gonna
tire.
shave. They won't know. Once I shave,
They're
man.
gonna go to that shade.
Once I shave, they'll be like, "There's this guy had a huge beard." I'm like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I got a kid. I'm so glad.
He doesn't work here. Oh, he doesn't work
I mean,
here.
go.
Are you really leaving?
Yeah.
Oh,
really,
come
Are you
on.
leaving too? Well, you just clocked back in. No,
Dude, I know.
Mark made him clock back in. What you just you told us straight up you didn't need it.
Come on, Ronnie.
Yeah.
You good?
Vulcanizing fluid.
That's
sperm.
Or sperm.
What? Oh, come on. Just look at this guy.
He's gay.
If you couldn't tell before earlier.
Who, this guy right here?
He just don't want to hide.
I want to get paid for talking on the clock, so I'm waiting for you to stop talking, and then we'll go punch out.
What are you talking about? I'm not talking.
Whoa! Inappropriate techno. Get out.
That's for harassment.
Sexual. I'm calling the police.
So you know there's a girl coming to work at the shop.
Who? Get the fuck out of here.
Not even kidding.
Oh, just
She's probably busted.
She's transferring from clothing.
That's bullshit. Oh wait, up front though?
No. Express tech.
That's bullshit.
I'm not even
Is
kidding.
she husky?
She could probably push us around.
Okay. See, that's all I needed to know.
Come on, Steve.
Pink hair?
Yeah. Or like piercing, gauges.
Weight ratio. How much weight percent?
Probably like 500 all pounds. Probably like maybe 2 Steves. I measure my weight in Steves.
Steve's.
Probably
Two
maybe
Steves. 2 Steves.
2 Steves. Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good
She
odds.
seems nice, but like,
Oh, Dumbo's gonna be all over that.
so what are we gonna do? We can't say hey girl anymore because that's gonna be literally a girl.
Then again.
We're gonna all get fired. We're all gonna get fired.
He's gonna be YouTube.
Worst star hip hop, he getting jumped on like 3 texts.
Put it on YouTube and block all the faces out. And the Sears logo.
Just censors everyone's jokes.
You talking about me? Shit's about to get real. oh, Ronnie, what are you doing? I'm trying to. Kids are gonna be watching this.
Savages.
Yo, are you really going right now, dude? Let's wait for Steve. I'm gonna wait until he's done.
He's leaving after this? What happens?
I'm leaving after this. I'm leaving after this. You don't want money?
Oh, God.
What?
Sexual harassment.
want
Sexual
You
harassment.
don't want money?
Money?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
We get overtime.
Can't work over 40. I'm already getting overtime this week.
We get more.
I'm at like 43 hours.
Look how he hammers it like a man.
Oh, I missed that one.
Ah.
Come on, dude. Why are you doing a flat repair? I'm right here.
Look, you're going home.
Fall to the car.
You think it's a complete video? What the hell?
Why not?
God damn.
You forgot to bolt that on.
I forgot to roll all of them on. Just go home just like this.
Oh my goodness. Scary.
What's that camera?
Like $1.
Really? It's on sale?
Yeah. Black Friday. I can't get it in the hole. Can't get it in the hole.
Oh, NASCAR, man, NASCAR.
NASCAR? What's that look like? No, I'm kidding.
Looks like you're white with a southern accent.
I wonder where Mark is.
He's out in the street.
Really?
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm just gonna leave then.
Why? Did you clock out again?
I'm going to. Dude, I just clocked back in.
For what?
No, just you made a clock back in.
Really?
Because he was doing this before he was videotaping me. And he was like, what are you doing, man?
Come on, Steve, hurry up.
You're gonna get paid for another full hour whether or not you punch out.
I don't care. I mean, what?
So you're gonna get paid for an hour. You can't punch in and punch out in 15 minutes or 20 minutes. They're gonna pay you for an hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I'll just punch out now.
Mark comes back. Hey, what the fuck are you doing?
He shouldn't be back yet.
Why did he go there?
To drop off the English street card.
Bye.
Benji, you're putting a lot of stress on me right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Bolting on a tire.
Bolting on. It's gonna explode. God.
You did 4 tires?
Doing me?
Yeah.
On this?
What was this? Rotation?
Black grip. And then brakey belt.
Oh, okay.
The other one was 4 tires. George, he's making a how-to video.
Oh man, you gonna get professional, man. Put on YouTube.
I should start stabbing holes in the tires and shit. Throw the shit off.
It's Santa Claus. It's Santa. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? Doing? What are you doing?
Whoa! Is this what you have? How much is that? 4 minutes? That was only 4 minutes? That whole thing was 30 minutes.
Oh, no, no, no.
Oh, I'm about to
I
say.
stopped it.
I was about to say. I'm like, damn, I'm quick. And I'm gonna.
You know, me and Will help Joe bang out a flat repair in like 2 minutes. You're going?
Yeah, I would probably need to. Richie's gonna tell on you. I told him you're off the clock.
I don't care. Yo, that little bitch.
What?
Fuck
There's
Richie.
2 tickets on the board because she's videotaping. I'm like, he's off the clock. He's punched out at 6 o'clock.
So he's gonna rat on me?
No, not anymore because I told him that you're punched out.
Oh.
An hour and a half.
Dude, I hate that kid. I hate that kid.
Oh, you don't want to be in the video too?
Nah, I'm gonna help you.
I'm gonna help you with the flat repair. I'm gonna.
Sorry.
Just paid.
Bye, Gary.
Why are you staying so late?
Hmm?
Why are you staying so late?
Because I get paid for watching you.
Did you clock out?
Not yet. I should. All done.
all
That's
done.
how you do a flat repair.
Yeah.